Welcome, today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into screen recorder in your INFINIX Smart 6 HD. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button, this one. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, scroll down to the bottom and find in this block this button and press and hold like this and drag to top to add. And for saving your editing, click back. Now press and hold your screen record button, and here we got record screen click position option. So this position of switcher, it's turn off this option like gray, and this like green, it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.